I am sitting here in Oslo preparing for the Biodanza in Nature extension in Piedra Laves outside Madrid next week. And I'm sitting with all my, memories of other times where I have given this work and how nourishing, how healing, how expanding, how beautiful and important this part of our work with Biodanza is. So to come together in nature and to connect deeper with our roots, to open up our perception, to slow down the pace, to give the time just to be in the moment with our surroundings, and so much joy and so much togetherness as well. So I hope to see you there. I'm very, very, very much looking forward to come. See you.